Chugga chugga choo choo. What's up, guys? Welcome back. How are ya? So I put a little bit different lighting. You'll see my hand sometimes reflections, but no worries, we'll make it nice. So the second part is decoder installation. We'll go over, and also we're going to test, and that test will clear most of your questions, I think. If we need more video, I'll do more. All right, so forgive me, I try to answer questions on two channels. We're doing it right now on my live channel and excuse me, DCC Train Live. If you are on DCC Train, it's also live, and on Twitch I'm using Restream.io. Very nice service so far. So I can broadcast on multiple platforms, so Twitch and to my YouTube channels. All right, so now go back to suggestion setting. I just want to set a couple of things, so change the picture as well. Now only on one channel I have to do very quick, and on live, actually not on live, on DCC main DCC Train channel. Okay, view on the watch page, so I can open everything. So I need to change the name on the go, name and actually picture, so people see it's something they might interesting. The thumbnail, I'm sorry. Okay, we'll just keep going, guys. You can watch it later, not big deal. Super chat open on DCC Train. There is like a $sign on chat. If you want to support, we also will help you promote your channel or whatever your business. Will look at your business, of course. So pretty cool. Looks like everything in place and rolling. I have both chats open. Okay, so in the first part we tested the locomotive equipped with the sound decoder and obviously DCC. Now here I already installed, this is Lokpilot, okay, and this is like ESU tester. Of course we're selling both of them, okay. That's Lokpilot and that's a tester. 21 pin, all those newer, I'm keeping forgetting this stuff. Actually, plugs, yeah, the plugs. Of course, I know it for like 5 years right now. When yeah, 8-pin plug, 9-pin plug, 8-pin plug, 6-pin plug, SUSI interface, some extra stuff, I guess. Yes, so some feature item, smaller motor, nice, and also for ESU bus special testing stuff. I'll rotate it like that so you can see. That's what we need to see. Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 LEDs for 9 functions. Okay, the first two, it's directional lights. Okay, so they using two different functions to light them up. All right, that's important. Kelvin, what's up, man? And that was the main question about Lokpilot decoder. Okay, again, I'm doing a lot of hardware installations. Maximum I'm using 4 functions, so 2 directional for like steam engines, and 2 extra fire, firebox, smoke generator sometimes, light in the cab, and that's guys pretty much it. Okay, so the reason GPS, SD40 GPS. Man, I'm not like familiar super with. You probably ask Rob on Saturday for our presentations. I think we're going to run them on test layout at the store. I still European modeler. So anyway, but we're doing electronics today. What I'm going to show you, because I read that data of the manual, not manual, just like the decoder technical data. It's not clearly telling me it's 6 functions. In some manuals, I'm not saying ESU anything, maybe, but it's just not clear, really. Okay, on the paper, on the box, on this box, it's saying pretty much nothing. It's just saying you can find out it's only 21 pin universal sound ready for programming. Okay, but it's 6 functions, output 6 functions. All right, I'm not talking about, guys, logical outputs. We'll cover it sometimes, so because it will be a lot of information for not. Genesis, good. Scale trains did good job too. Okay. This decoder has railcom, so message, command station communicate with decoder, message from the decoder with all parameters, whatever set up with the ESU lock programmer. Okay, that thing you can do, means that you can do on probably different software, but not uploading the sounds. And I strongly recommend, if you guys using a lot of ESU sound, get the programmer. Your life will be much easier in the future. Okay, believe me, to program, to remap something, change the sound, adjust a lot of stuff. Yes, so we're using it every day. We're using Sprog. But for ESU, I strongly recommend Lock Programmer. So as soon as I hit that button, this just monitor what I'm doing. The power button here on the layout. Okay, the system connects to the decoder. See what's happening. You will see like small logo here when it's reading it. Okay, maybe not great, but you can watch the previous video. It's obviously that's not our purpose. Our purpose to figure out the functions. Okay, ready, go. It's really go button. So now it connects to them, generate the signal, immediately feedback starting right here. And if I select that button, Railcom, boom. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 functions available. Okay, I can probably put more for some other reasons, but that's the manufacturer programming. Okay, so this is obviously the first here. If you can see, that's what I'll try to do my best. Okay, it's a light. See that light? One more time. Light was no light, light, and it's kind of yellow. Let me turn lights down. Should be better. Yes, because that's important. Function one output. Okay, if I'm changing directions with this, watch it. it's red and direction change. Sorry, it's camera just not catching that, but that's okay. See, one more time. So there are two functions already used. On two functions output, I'm sorry, on one F0. Okay, so they mapped to one function F0 but changing directions. And lights up. Okay, now let me see. We're good. We're good. Good deal. All right, so now I have F1, F2, and I'm pressing F1. Let me change direction, you will see it better. F1, up. So the red is going backwards and forward, and that's my first output right here. Okay, I'm pressing F, that will be F2, and this is second function output. Actually, if we're going auxiliary output, so that's what may be confusing a lot. So at this point, 4 actual functions outputs already in charge. Okay, then 2 other buttons here, it's like slowing with like a turtle slow mode and different mode, exponential acceleration or something. I'm not using that much. Now that's important again. Watch again. Function, I believe it's 5 and 6, but output is 3 and 4, 5 and 6. That's another confusion. But this, see that? So it's already function 5. I'm sorry, output 5, and this is output 6. So decoder has physical 6 outputs, auxiliary outputs. 2 for directional lighting and 4 independent. If I'm turning them off, bingo, here we go. Next step. Okay, I hope you guys with me. That's maybe not super good idea, but we need it later, so I'm going to just stop it. We don't need a program, and I move it. I just need the decoder. Okay, carefully take it, very carefully take it. So I'm using sometimes, but I didn't press it down very hard. Okay, so we're moving from reflection, probably here. That should do it. All right, connecting. Maybe you can see the go button. Not super necessary, but it will be just nice to have it. Okay, something like that. All right, connecting here. I'm going to clean my data first. So clean all my detected locomotives. Motor roll doesn't matter. I just clean nothing here in the database. Okay. Then what you need to do. You're just taking that access panel, the roof. Okay, it's not here. I'll show you in a second. I show you just in general how to open the engine, because I have a lot of questions even how to opening engine. So it's right there. Okay, just put it on the side. Because it's still, so I have a dummy plug. It's not dummy plug, it's just DC plug. Okay, so all function, all lights working and everything, that's my DC plug. Okay, dummy plug. Now I'm very carefully installing the decoder. Okay, very careful. Make sure all pins in place. Okay, and I'm not just gonna do like crazy on this because I'm going to take it out just a little bit, but you need to carefully press it down. Okay, now we clear here stop button on the stop, putting that engine on my test device. Okay, all right, see good. No, we don't need that lights, too much lights. All right, cool. Watch it again. Turn the other lights yet, just too much lights, crazy. I'm pressing go button. Watch what's happened. Ready? Go. So it's sending message to the decoder right now. And see it start reading that small flag, logo, whatever, DCC OK, so it detects and it's cool, real calm. I'm selecting that panel, bingo. Okay, now try to turn lights off again. You should see something. Headlights, okay. Number boards. So in DC version here, it's independent, okay? And I'll try to install. It's probably won't be like good test, but we program probably next time and put. Depends on the mapping, yes, because it depends on the mapping of the decoder. It doesn't matter what locomotive. So now F2, watch marker lights, okay, because chassis doesn't have ditch lights. Those two are not without lights, but the function's actually working. All right. Whew. So you saw it, I'm doing it. You're watching, I'm doing it, right? So that's absolutely clear. I tested with a tester and I put in DCC ready sound locomotive. What I'm going to do probably next time, if it gets more questions and more clearly about, excuse me, about that, I'll program decoder from the file with the sound for that particular version or something. If I can get the file, we'll see. Okay, or I can get just the data, program sound, and update the other parameters. Okay, so we have a message on. Oh, okay, hold on. John, hello. The ECOS is great. How it reads the railcom info, displays the icons. Yeah, gentlemen on DCC Train Live. Yes, sir, absolutely. I agree 100%. I like Roku, you know. But that's it pretty much, guys. If still not clear, I will do more videos. But obviously, the Lokpilot 6 functions decoder and those two functions just not. There is no lights. There are no lights or anything to connect. Okay. So I did a lot of it, like looking around, but no. Okay, guys, that's it for today. We'll do more videos, of course. We'll definitely test, because I have questions to Rob, like how different road name engines operating in real life. So I just learned about that classification lights. Thank you very much from my last stream here. Looks like it's working with the Twitch, and both channels will do the same thing. So thanks for coming. All right, we'll do more on Saturday. Actually, I have a schedule also on Wednesdays, but lately we just work at the store very late. Hard to catch up. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Have a good one. Bye. Chaga chaga, choo choo.